The first question: what is PowerShell? To give you a better understanding of PowerShell, we should first define what a shell is. In computer science, a shell is a user interface that gives you access to various services of an operating system. A shell can be command line based, or it can include a graphical user interface or GUI. Windows PowerShell is a shell developed by Microsoft for the purposes of task automation and configuration management. This powerful shell is based on the .NET framework, and it includes a command line shell and a scripting language. Why PowerShell? PowerShell is a very powerful tool that offers tremendous benefit for querying systems and executing commands, including on remote machines. However, it's easily used for malicious purposes because it falls under the radar of traditional endpoint security products. PowerShell gives the bad guys a lot of power because it's part of the native Windows operating system, which makes it difficult for security teams. What is Empire Project? With their own words, Empire is a pure PowerShell post-exploitation agent built on cryptologically secure communications and a flexible architecture. Empire implements the ability to run PowerShell agents without needing PowerShell.exec. Rapidly deployable post-exploitation modules ranging from the keyloggers to Mimikatz and adaptable communications to evade network detection, all wrapped up in a usability-focused framework. Since the Empire project is not embedded into Kali, we need to download and install it. PowerShellEmpire.com is the official site of the team who created the Empire project. It's a very handy website full of documents and demos. However, as of this video capturing, it's in its early days of 2018. The documents need to be updated according to the latest version of Empire project. The link at the bottom of the homepage, Get Empire, brings you to the GitHub page of Empire Project. I recommend you read the README section of the page for details. From the clone or download buttons at the upper right, copy the URL to clone the project. Open a terminal window, write git clone, paste the URL, and hit enter. Now the files of the Empire project are being downloaded to our local. When the download finishes, go to the Setup folder under the Project folder, Empire, using cd Linux command. Run /install.sh. The project and all the required packages are being installed in this moment. Be patient. It could take a few minutes. Now it asks for a password to negotiate with the server. You can enter a password, or if you hit enter directly, it'll generate a random password for you. As soon as you hit enter, the setup is complete. Now use the cd Linux command to go back to the project home folder. And type /empire to start the tool. Welcome to the Empire.